can call it in.
I know, but you can't carry around prescriptions without a... Where are they?
What do you mean?
Where are they?
What's gonna happen?
Where are they?
With my mom.
Okay, then they'll stay with your mom.
Incident Welfare Check DUI. Arrest. Location Loxahatchee, Palm Beach County, Florida. Date undisclosed footage obtained via FOIA request. Agency Palm Beach County unincorporated jurisdiction.
Hi. Are you okay? Okay. Somebody said that you were sitting at the light for quite some time. Okay. You don't look fine. Have you been drinking anything today? Would you mind stepping out of the car for me? Hello.
Hi.
So what would make you sit at the light for so long?
I was sitting at the light outside the store.
So you weren't at the traffic light?
I was sitting here.
How long have you been here?
Like 5 minutes.
Okay, where were you before you came here?
Right here.
Where are you coming from?
Where am I coming from?
Yeah.
I was just coming from the store.
Which store?
Just coming from the store from where I'm here.
You've had absolutely nothing to drink? Have you taken anything?
I'm prescribed that.
Okay, when's the last time you took that?
4 hours ago.
Okay, are you supposed to be driving when you take that? Where are you going to?
Going to my friend's house.
Where is that? Do you know where you are right now?
Yeah.
Where?
In Wellington.
You think you're in Wellington right now?
Well, in Loxahatchee.
You're in Loxahatchee right now?
I'm not sure where
So where were you coming from when you left wherever it was to go to your friend's house? Where did you leave?
I think I'm in Loxahatchee.
Okay, but where did you leave to go to your friend's house? Were you at home? Were you at another friend's house? Were you...
I was at another friend's house.
Where do they live?
Loxahatchee.
So you were leaving Loxahatchee to go to Wellington,
Yeah.
and you got here.
Yeah.
Okay. And you think you're still in Loxahatchee? Okay. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I see it? Do you have a driver's license? This is an ID card. Do you have a driver's license? No. So you shouldn't be driving?
Can you tell me what's going to happen? Because I know she's driving.
Say that again?
Because I know I'm not supposed to be driving.
Okay. What did you say before that?
What's going to happen?
Well, I'm going to move my car and then we'll have a talk.
Is the vehicle registered to you?
Is there anything illegal in the car that I need to know about? Any marijuana? Nothing? Do you have your prescribed medications on you? Can I see them? Why are there's no label on here?
You can call it in.
I know, but you can't carry around prescriptions without a label that I can read on them. Did you know that? But did you know that though? That we have to be able to read every prescription that you carry on you.
You can't see that?
No.
Not really. No. So
I get 90.
So this one is supposed to be yellow, which these ones are yellow, but I don't think the ones that are in here are yellow.
I get.
Okay,
90.
I'll worry about it. You talk to her.
I get.
I understand, but these pills in here are supposed to be yellow, and they're not. The pills that are in here are supposed to be yellow. Okay, I'm gonna do it, and you can talk to her.
Can you step out with me?
Yes.
Kristen, I'm gonna ask you to perform some tasks because I want to make sure that your
I'm
normal
not going to do
faculties.
anything right now.
I want to make sure that your normal faculties aren't too
I'm not going to do anything right now.
What's in your shirt?
Nothing. There's nothing in my shirt.
Okay. I want you to walk toward the front of my car.
Oh, I don't feel comfortable with what you're talking about. Those are my pills. Those are what I take.
Okay, that has nothing to do with what she's talking about.
Okay, but that's what I'm talking about.
Kristen, I
Yes,
need you to
ma'am.
walk toward the front of my car. This way.
No, I'm not
No,
going to.
no, here.
I said I'm not going to.
Okay, you're gonna walk this
So
way.
you're gonna pull me?
No, we're gonna walk this way.
So you're gonna make me?
We're gonna walk this way.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So, do you remember where you are right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Stop right here. Where are you?
Where? By Westlake.
Westlake and what?
I don't know the roads.
Okay. What city are you in?
By Westlake.
Is that a town?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you do me a favor? Face me. Stand with your feet together.
I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna.
I just want to look at your eyes.
Okay.
Okay. Stand with your feet
But I'm not
together.
gonna do this.
You're not gonna let me look at your eyes?
You can look in my eyes.
Okay. That's what all I'm asking you to do is stand with your feet together so I can look at your eyes. No, stop moving your head. Look up here.
This one fucking so weird.
I'm sorry, what?
I said y'all just wanna fuck with me. There's nothing that I'm doing wrong.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you to do a couple more tests so I can make sure that your normal faculties aren't too impaired for you to be driving.
Yes, ma'am.
Left foot on the line. Your left foot. No, wait. I didn't ask you to start yet.
I'm fine.
Put your left foot on the line. Do you know your left from your right?
Yes,
Which is your left?
that's my left.
Okay, put your left foot on the line. And then your right foot in front of your left foot with your heel touching your toe. Just like this. No, I didn't ask you to start yet.
I don't think I could do that.
Why not?
I can't do my
Do you have
left.
any recent head injuries?
I get sick. Right.
Okay. You're okay.
I have medication for that.
Okay. Go ahead and put your left foot on the line.
My head doesn't work that way.
Your head doesn't. Do you know your left foot?
Yeah.
Where's your left
Oh,
foot?
I know my left foot from my right foot.
Okay. Can you put your left foot on the line?
Yeah.
Okay. And then your right foot in front of your left foot, and then just stand there without walking yet. No, we're not ready to start yet. Can you go back to the... I need to show you how to do it first.
Bad.
Okay. Watch what I do, and I'm going to explain it to you. You're going to start with your left foot on the line and your right foot. Okay, and you're going to have your right foot in front of your left foot. And when you begin, you're going to take 9 steps, heel to toe. With each step, you're going to make sure that your heel touches your toe. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. I only went to 3. You're going to go all the way to 9. When you get to the 9th step, you're going to leave your lead foot on the line, and you're going to take a series of small steps and turn around. You're going to take 9 steps back. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9.
telling you right now, I don't think I can do it.
Why not?
I don't feel good.
Okay, that's fine. Just go ahead and try it. You have to keep your arms at your side.
No.
Do you remember the instructions I gave you? What were the instructions I gave you?
To walk a straight line with my feet. Left, right.
Okay. And what were you supposed to do when you got to the end?
Huh?
Do you remember what you were supposed to do when you got to the end of the line? You were supposed to turn around and go back 9 steps. With each step, your heel touches your toe. Not using your arms at back for balance, leaving your arms at your side.
Oh, leave my arms down.
Leave your arms down. Make sure your heel touches your toe with each step, counting out loud. Do you remember how many steps I asked you to take?
I took 14.
How many did I ask you to take?
I don't know.
9? Does that sound familiar?
Is that irrelevant?
Okay.
Oh, I'm so not on this right
Okay, come here. No, don't walk away. Stay right here.
I'm not walking away from
Okay,
you.
well, stand right here. Stand right here. Face me.
Yes,
We're going
ma'am.
to try something else.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your feet together. Arms at your side. I'm going to have you pick the foot of your choice. You're going to raise your foot 6 inches. And you're going to keep your toe parallel to the ground. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, face me. Face me. There you go. Are you ready to begin? Go ahead and begin. Can you give me 30
How does it go?
seconds? Just like this. 1001, 1002, 1003, and keep going until I tell you to stop.
How long?
Just until I tell you to stop. Looking at your foot, counting out loud.
That's a long time.
I didn't give you a time frame. I just said until I tell you to stop. Do you remember the instructions I gave you?
Yeah. How long did I do it for?
Well, I haven't told you to stop yet, but you were supposed to look at your foot, count out loud with your arms
How
at
long
your
did I
side.
do it for?
Not long.
Okay, but I did it for a while.
How long is a while?
I don't know how long.
How long do you think you did it for?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, go ahead and walk toward the front of my car for me. Face the car. At this time, I do believe that your normal faculties are impaired. Too impaired for you to be driving a motor vehicle. And you are under arrest for DUI. Can you make a call of jail?
I don't have that number.
Do you have anything on you that's going to stick me, poke me, hurt me? Okay.
Do you have anything on you that she may or may not
No.
miss? And you bring, I have to tell this to everybody. If it goes into the jail and they find it in the jail,
Fuck alone.
stop. If it goes into the jail, it's another charge. Do you understand that?
Are you going to stand still so I can continue?
What's gonna happen to my kids?
What do you mean? Nothing. Where are they?
What do you mean?
Where are they?
What's gonna happen
Where are they?
with my mom?
Okay, then they'll stay with your mom.
That sounded so fucking funny. Fucking.
We're not the one that made this decision. Why are you calling us pieces of shit? You made the choice. You got 4 kids, but you're still out here doing, getting DUIs. You search your purse yet? No. There's also pill bottles on the back.
Can you tell? I have my medicine in there. Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am? Fuck you. And why did I get pulled over?
We stopped to make sure that you were okay.
And why wasn't I okay?
We were told that you were stopped at a traffic light and stopped at a green light. So I wanted to make sure you weren't sick.
stop at a green light when I wasn't okay. Yeah, that sounds fucking crazy. Okay. It's crazy because every time that y'all fuck with me, I'm not doing nothing wrong. First time, I was asleep in the back of my car, and somebody else was driving me. This time, I ain't even gonna talk about this one. Y'all crazy as hell.
A citizen reported a vehicle stationary at a traffic light for an extended period. Deputies responded. The subject, identified as Kirsten, was found disoriented, admitted to taking prescription medication, possessed no valid driver's license, carried unlabeled prescription bottles, and failed multiple FSTs. She was arrested for DUI under Florida Statute Section 316.193. Radada process for initial contact. 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 Radada. Cady versus Dombrowski, 413, U.S. 4331973. The community caretaking doctrine permits warrantless police contact when an officer has an objectively reasonable basis to believe a person requires assistance. This contact is not a traffic stop. No violation triggers the Fourth Amendment's stop and identify protections. Once impairment indicators are observed during the contact, Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968, authorizes a continued investigative detention based on reasonable articulable suspicion. Har do ye legal standard. Florida Statute, Section 316, 1931. A DUI applies to any chemical substance or controlled substance, including lawfully prescribed medication, when it impairs the operator's normal faculties. No BAC threshold is required. Impairment is established through observable evidence alone. Florida Statute Section 316.1934 defines normal faculties as the ability to see, hear, walk, talk, judge distances, drive, make judgments, act in emergencies, and perform the normally coordinated physical and mental acts of daily life. Additional charges. Florida Statute Section 322.03, operating a motor vehicle without a valid license, is a second-degree misdemeanor, up to 60 days imprisonment and $500 fine. Florida Statute Section 499.03, prescription drugs must be in their original labeled container. Carrying pills in an unlabeled bottle, particularly where the pills do not match the labeled prescription color, may support a charge under Florida Statute Section 893.13 for possession of a controlled substance without prescription, pending laboratory identification of the pills in question. Sobriety tests. NHTSA standards. 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 NHTSA's forward. NHTSA's forward. NHTSA's forward. HGN horizontal gaze. Nystagmus measures. Involuntary eye movement not affected. by physical injuries or balance disorders. Provides independent neurological impairment data. Walk and turn WAT 2 plus clues equals 68% accuracy for impairment at 0.1 BAC. Clues observed arms raised, stepped offline, 14 steps taken instead of 9, failed to count aloud. One leg stand OLS, 2 plus clues equals 65% accuracy for impairment. Combined FST battery, HGN plus WAT plus OLS, provides a comprehensive multi-system impairment picture. Critical head injury disclosure. Subject disclosed prior head injuries before balance-dependent testing. Under the 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause, evidence supporting probable cause must be reliable, and not the product of a procedure inherently subject to error. The disclosure does not invalidate the tests, but it is a factor courts must weigh when evaluating the reliability of WAT and OLS evidence. Note HGN is unaffected by head injuries, making it the most legally durable FST in this case. Probable cause. Under Section 316.193 is established through the totality of circumstances. Spatial disorientation, admitted medication use, no valid license, unlabeled controlled substances. Multiple FST clues. Subject's own statement. I was stopped at a red light when I wasn't okay. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989. Force during arrest is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment, not with the benefit of hindsight. Factors: severity of crime, immediate threat to safety, active resistance, or flight. Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 4201984. Miranda is not required during a roadside Terry stop. It is required before custodial interrogation following a formal arrest. Rhode Island v. Innis, 446 U.S. 2911980. Voluntary spontaneous statements made post-arrest, absent any officer interrogation, are admissible as non-interrogated disclosures. Arizona v. Gant, 556 U.S. 3322009. A warrantless vehicle search incident to arrest is permissible, where it is reasonable to believe evidence of the offense of arrest may be found in the vehicle. In a prescription drug DUI, searching for additional medication containers is legally authorized under Gant. 01. Prescription DUI is fully prosecutable. A valid prescription is not a defense to DUI. If the drug impairs normal faculties, operators have a duty to know their medication's effect. 02. FST reliability requires proper documentation. Officers must record all disclosed medical conditions before administering balance-dependent tests. Failure to do so creates grounds for suppression. 03. Spontaneous admissions carry significant weight. Statements made voluntarily without interrogation bypass Miranda protections and are fully admissible. Subjects should be aware of this at all times. 04. Professional conduct does not end at arrest. Post-arrest moralizing commentary may expose officers and departments to liability under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 Civil Rights Act. 05. Unlabeled medication is independently prosecutable flaw. Stat. Section 499.03 plus Section 893.13 may apply, even when the subject claims a legitimate prescription if the container is unlabeled or pills are mismatched.